This is the second of my series on anti-slumping or get out of the slump. Today, we're going to address all the things you do around the house that can bring your posture more upright, give you a nice tush, straight spine, make you stronger, look better, better golf, better running, better walking. We're just gonna change your life. I'm Lisa Ann, and posture is my fascination in life. I love the fact that every day I can walk through my life, I can feel my body, feel it get stronger and healthier, and help other people do the same thing. So, we're going to continue with the things you can do at home to bring your body upright and take the slump out of it. So you got the laundry. How many of you do this? I see what you do. And you carry it down the hall. No wonder you look so pretty at the hockey game or at the soccer game, because that's what you do, right? Why don't we make this fun and make it work? So I taught you in the other series how to bend, so get a little hamstring stretching. Yeah, baby. You're gonna pick this up now. If that's too much, bending that deep, start from here. If it's too full, then lighten it up. If you can't lighten it up, take 2 loads. More walking. You know, why not? Why not? This is your life. Okay, so I'm going to bend, throw this up. Now, I like to put my hand here because I don't know. Now, I probably would be fine with this, pressing up, but I'm going to tell you that if you press your hand up, it's really great for your upper back strength, pressing your hand up. So, here we go. Off to the laundry room. So when I walk like this, I can feel the difference in my posture when my arms are down. I can really feel it, how the ease of pushing off, okay? Then I'm going to come in here in the laundry room, because it's really hard with the doors to not keep it upright over your head, because you can run into the doors. So here we go. Then I set it down. Okay, so I'm going to dump these out. Get to that later. Unloading the dryer. Oh my goodness. There's the bend. So you might not have the time to put your fingers on your spine. So here's my new trick. If you put one hand back here with your palm up, it'll give you a good shoulder stretch and you'll know whether you're slumping. So if I go like this, oh no, I'm slumping. So I can scoop my tush back, get in here, and here I go. Tell me I'm not getting a good hamstring stretch and gluteal workout. Up again. Repeat, head, and walking out. That's the first thing that you're going to learn. You're going to get your handy platypus out. Really, actually, anything that has a little weight. This gives me a little sense of up where my head is. Pressing up, a little balance, kind of fun. Kids will want to do it with you. You know, it's one of those things you can add the family in on the action. Now we're going to sweep. So here we go. So I'm going to sweep. Now most people do this kind of sweeping. It's all about the difference between whether you're going to bend at your hips or you're going to bend up here. And it's hard. If your shoulders are used to being like this, it's hard not to want to just do it at the waist. But you're going to really attempt to find your hips again. So here I go. I'm going to sweep. And I'm going to come back. And see, it's a hip bend. It's a hip bend and the shoulder blades are on the back. So you can put one hand on your back. That helps. So this could be good. Nice stretch. This is so simple. And it does so much. That's the thing. You don't really realize how all these little movements have affected your life in a not so great way. And now they can affect you in a really wonderful way. You can start feeling instead of thinking about your posture. So I can do that. And then I can use this platypus to help me walk down the hall so that I can go stretch my shoulders. So here I go. I can put my hands back here, or I can just walk, but see, stretching up. If you just did this every day, what a change. Now, every time you go through a door, I want you to think, you don't have to have your platypus with you. So I'm gonna take it off. Too much information all at once, right? Every time you go through a door, depending on how tall you are, use it. Hands here, stretch up, lose your neck, drop your shoulders, go through. You've seen this before. This is a kind of an old classic physical therapy stretch. I like to do this and go through, and then sometimes put my hands here so my shoulders are down away from my ears and go through. So you're walking along. What if you just touch? What if you just touch? Just touch. Reach. You don't even have to take long. Reach. You're talking to one of your kids. Reach. Reach. And they'll let you need to know that your shoulders are up so that you can bring them down. If they're stuck here, you don't know to bring them down. But if you reach, you feel them up, and you feel them down. So, hold on. Up and down. There we go. All right, for the final move, just think of these are lunges, but I'm lunging up my stairs. I'm going to take 2 at a time. Keep your body upright, and don't hesitate to lean into the stair from your hip, not from your waist. So I'm going to take 2 at a time, and I think it's fine to put your arms on the wall. Don't get caught up in the fact that you may use the wall as if it's bad. It's not bad. That's a whole other story. So I just touch the wall, and I touch the wall a little. If that helps me sense relaxation and balance. I touch, touch. Now going down, not 2 at a time, whole different animal. Just think about up with 2 at a time. Okay, so subscribe to this channel and put this into your life. Even if you only put one thing in, put it in your life. Repeat, repeat. And then I'll show you how this can show up in your run, your walk, and your golf.